Actually, it's better to give than to receive. Hindi ako, I'm not used to hingi. So that is why, parang, kasi pagbigay ka, hihingi ka ng ano, pera, whatever. So, yung nag-ano na palabi-labi din sa may plaza, humingi na ako ng ano, may dalawang tao, mag-asawa yun. Sabi ko, pwede ba akong humingi ng maliit lang na sabi, wala ka ng pera, ganyan. Parang nahihiya ako sa sarili. Bakit naman ito? Uy, bakit? Parang nahihiya ako. Basta nahihiya ako. At meron namang tao na mabuti ang kanilang puso. Especially those mga students na doon sa may plaza nag-practice. Pag ano ko sa kanila, the time that I called them, I said, pwede ba tayong hingi sa'yo ng pampamasahid para sa amin? Sabi na, uy, hindi sila nag-ano, walang, sabi na, uy, ito, mag-ano tayo, magtulungan tayo kasi si Lola, ng pampasahid doon. So, imagine, maybe that's their last coin. Hindi guys sa akin. Hindi ko na I didn't count how much was that. Then I put it in my hands and I called them, hey mga boys, punta kayo dito. Sabi, bakit Lola? Kunin, you get this and give it to those who had contributed this month. Bakit Lola? Ako ang magbigay sa inyo ng prize. Ito. Sabi mo yung si Lola. I said, I am a vlogger. I'm just only pretending kung sino. Kayo yung napakabuting ng mga bata. Mabuti ka. You were being brought up and will grow by your parents. So keep it up. Palaging ganyan. Sagutin ko Lola. So binigyan ko sila yung mga chicherias at happy sila. Thank you so much Lola. Sabi ng apo ko. They came from that school UC pa. Iba doon ay classmate nila. So yun nga mga kagwaps. Kaya that was the last that I have done there, being a bigger para I'm not used to that big. Kaya parang nahiya ako sa sarili ko. And after that, my son told me, Mama, why are you doing that? Being a bigger, alam mo? That's mendicancy. That's against the law of, may balaod dyan, may law tayo dyan na bawal maghingi. Huh? Baka doon ka pick up ka doon namin doon sa may carcel. Huwag mo na gawin yan, sabi ng anak kong lalaki, si Chuna, sabi nila, huwag mo gawin yun, Mama, kasi doon ka pick up namin sa may carcel, baka maano ka. Bilang, oh my God, just imagine. Then again, my anak said, Tita, wag na. I got tired of doing that. So ngayon, na lang. Pag may makita ako, pero sometimes I cannot have my video. Kasi yun. So anyway, maybe some other time I will have to, yun lang, hindi lang yun yung pagtulong sa, yung ganyan ba? Yun lang pag may giveaways, ganyan. Pero pag yung kailangan ang tulong mo na nagsakit o nauuhaw, basta. So yun mga gloves. Sino ba to? Hey, who are you? Who are you there? Who are you? May nag-ano dito. Dongbert. Who is Dongbert? Okay ka lang po. Who is Dongbert? From where are you? Yan ako na ito ha. Okay. There. Who are you, Dongbert? Okay ka lang po. Yes, I'm okay. Dongbert. From where are you? I don't know how to respond here kasi I don't know how to share here.